Welcome to the mechanical room. There's lots to talk about down here. First thing I wanted to point out was the main water shutoff to the home. You will find in your mechanical room or in the crawl space of your home where the main water pipe flows into your home and where your main shutoff is. You can tell it's the main water line generally because it's going to be a 3/4 inch line, and you'll often find this little guy called the pressure reducing valve right nearby. If you have a crawl space home, this valve is required to be within a couple feet of the crawl space door, so just look around right inside that door and you should find it. If you have a mechanical room in your basement, again, just look around the walls of the mechanical room and you should see it set up some like you see right here. If you experience a leak in your home, in the bathroom or in the kitchen, and you need to shut the water off, this is the best way to do it. Just come down here, turn this lever 90 degrees, and now all the water is shut off to your home. You'll stop the water from leaking, and you can figure out what to do next. Like I mentioned, this little guy above the water shutoff is called the pressure reducing valve. Living in the city of Asheville, we have very high water pressure because we need to pump water all the way up to the people who live on the top of Town Mountain Road, and that takes a lot of water pressure. Having water pressure that high is not good for the fixtures in your home. So when you're down in the city at a lower elevation, we're required to install a pressure reducing valve. So it takes the water pressure coming in from the city at whatever pressure we're receiving it at and drops it down to a more acceptable pressure for the fixtures in your home.